We got future electricians doing electrical work. Look at them. Zach, do you know how much wire to strip?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Just go into the thing.
Like, how do you know exactly the amount to strip?
Just estimate.
Okay. Will, can you tell Zach how to exactly?
Back of the receptacle has like a little gauge. If you ever want to check it.
So, because you're starting out your first habits,
Yeah.
Next to where the ground is.
there's a diagram.
Yeah.
So, your first few ones strip it perfectly like that. Then later you have muscle memory.
This length. The other thing.
Exactly.
No.
Strip it that amount.